Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I'm not going to be doing any type of nail art or nail design. This is going to be a swatch video, but I have a lot of acrylics I'm going to be swatching, so I thought I'd just make it into one separate video. But the next video is going to go up right after of me using some of these acrylics. But as you can see, I have a huge box of acrylics I'm just going through right now. This PR package is from KAIROSE. I've been using this brand recently and I've been loving them so much. The products are very beginner friendly, they're really easy to use, they're affordable, and they're just so gorgeous. Like, I love this brand a lot. Right now I wasn't sure how many collections were gonna be in here or like how many acrylics, but as you can see we do get a lot. And like while I was pulling them out, of course I'm going to show them a little bit later, so I wasn't too focused on like showing you guys the names and like what they look like. So here I was just trying to like separate them, trying to figure out like the theme, guess what collections they're gonna be. So I think for the most part I got one collection fully correct, which was the Coffee Lovers collection, because those are a bunch of like brown shades and of course they're named after coffee flavors. So I think that was the easiest one to like guess, but the rest of them I got a few of them right. I did get like a lot of nudes and cover pinks. I got some glitters as well, so I'm really excited to swatch all of these and show you guys what they look like. She did include some stickers as well, some little coffee stickers for decoration and some little Halloween spooky season stickers. They're so cute. In this PR package, I also got the Peach Scented Shimmer Cuticle Oil. I didn't really notice it at first, but when I took it out, I was like, wait, there's glitter in here. So I did screw it back on and like give it a shake. That way I can mix up all of the glitters in it. And it's kind of hard to see on camera, but there are some holographic shimmers in that cuticle oil and it smells really, really good. The next item I'm going to show are some pigment powders. These I didn't really use, or I didn't even bother to open them, because sometimes opening pigment powders can get a lot, because sometimes opening pigment powders can be really messy. So I just wasn't really in the mood to like clean the dust and get it over everything, so I'll be showing that in a later video. Also included a huge pack of files. These are 100 grit files. Perfect for beginners. They're not super coarse or they're not too light either. They're basically right in the middle, which I feel like is perfect for beginners, because with that grit you tend to like not really over file, but like it's also, you know, getting what you need to be done, if that makes sense. And then also the last thing that came in that PR package are some 3XL square no C-curve tips, which are my favorite. And I was excited that 3XL came in this package because I've been really wanting to do some extra long nails. I know like recently I've been kind of going a little bit shorter, but really I just want to go back to like my roots and just go really, really long and exaggerate it. Personally, I think the longer nails are a lot more funner, especially when you are a nail content creator. So that's basically like the vibe, and of course you see those nails in the next video. But like I said, for now I'm just going to be swatching all of these acrylics, so I'm not really going to talk too much, I guess. I just kind of want to do like a little intro and like let you guys know what I'm going to be doing. To swatch these acrylic, I'm using an acrylic brush from Crafts by 9. I'll have that link down below. I think my discount code is still working, but I haven't really been as active with that brand, so I'm kind of unsure. But I will check for you guys and leave it down below. KAIROSE also have some acrylic brushes, so you can check those out as well. But to swatch them, as far as like the monomer, I am using the KAIROSE brand, so it matches with these acrylics and is formulated perfectly for them. The first few nude acrylic I swatched, I'm not sure if those were like in a specific collection. They do have like a group picture, but on the website I couldn't really find like the actual collection link, so I will have those linked down like individually, and then all of the other collections, they will be as in like an entire collection. The second set of acrylics are some pink shades, and these are girly ghouls. I don't know how to say that word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. The third collection I'm going to be swatching is the Coffee Lovers collection, and I love coffee so much. My favorite is probably, well, as far as the iced coffee, I would want to say is a Frappuccino, and hot, I would probably say Cappuccino. I don't know, like those are my favorite. I just love coffee in general, hot or iced, it doesn't matter to me. Let me know down below if you love coffee and what's your favorite or go-to. And I think this collection is a really beautiful collection. It has a bunch of brown shades, which also can work really well for like just a really simple nude base if that's what you're going for. And they also have like the darker shades that would match perfectly for the fall weather, to do some like cozy brown fall nails. I'll definitely be using some of these acrylics for the fall, so be on the lookout for that. Yeah, like I said, I'm not really gonna talk too much in between these swatches. I just want you guys to sit back, relax, and just watch them, because to me they were very satisfying. So hopefully that's what you guys get as well. And yeah, I'll just come back before I swatch the new collection and just kind of talk about it and give my thoughts on it. This next collection here is called Trick or Glitz, which of course is the Halloween collection. And I think this was definitely one of my favorites. I love these glitter acrylics. They remind me of like kawaii type of acrylics, like they're just extra, really glittery. I love glitter acrylics, so this was right down my alley. And of course I've been needing like, not necessarily needing, but I've been wanting like some new Halloween products, so I was really excited when I saw these and I was able to swatch them and use them. I feel like this collection captures a lot of like every type of element or vibe for Halloween. Like of course we have the traditional orange and purple, has a little bit of black in it as well. That's like traditional Halloween. We have some black and red, some orange, and also like a girly type of vibe. It kind of reminds me of like 𝓷𝚽𝚎, the pink, black and white. The first one I swatched, that one is so adorable. Yeah, this Halloween collection was literally everything and more, so I definitely advise you guys to check it out on the website. And remember, all of these collections will be linked down below. The last and final collection is called Autumn Sparkle, and of course these are a bunch of fall autumn acrylics, and all of these are glitters as well, just like the Halloween collection. I feel like this also, like, it really sets off a good like vibe and like start for fall acrylics. I just feel like all of them matched so well. There's so many different combinations and like combinations you can do to create fall nails. I like in this collection the glitters aren't really too big. I think these are a little bit more smaller and finer, which I can really appreciate. And also all of these acrylics are going to be so stunning for just like a regular encapsulated glitter nail, in my opinion. This was the largest collection of all of them, so I did try to like swoosh in the swatches just so that there will be enough rooms for all of them. Yeah, this was also another collection I really enjoyed, and of course during November I probably use these a little bit more, because since it's October, even though it's about to end, I kind of want to focus more on like Halloween nails and like spooky stuff, because I haven't really done as much, or like as much as I wanted to, I guess. I think I'm still gonna focus on Halloween spooky designs for October, and then I might transition into like fall cozy type of nails for November. And then of course at the end of that month, hopefully they come out with the Christmas collection, because I'm gonna use that non-stop, especially after seeing how these are looking. And then using that collection, hopefully I'll be getting more into Christmas designs at the end of November, just so that I'm a little on time. I feel like every time these like seasons or like new theme changes, I'm always so late starting, but that's okay. It's better late than never. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to get what I can done, and for the most part I think I have been enjoying myself, just trying to like get back in the groove of like creating content. So yeah, I think I'm going at a good pace. It could be better, it's not perfect, but hopefully you guys can stick with me and give me some encouraging words, and just let me know that I am like still able to provide you guys with some cozy, nice, creative content. But this is the last color here in this collection. This was the biggest collection that I received, and the last color didn't really fit in that line, so I did have to like mess it up and just swatch it above that collection but off to the side from the Halloween collection. So hopefully that doesn't throw off like the aestheticness of it. And yeah, that basically wraps up these swatches of all of these collections. Like I said, I'm not really sure if the first 4 acrylics were like an entire collection, but I do have them listed individually, and altogether if I do include those as a collection, there were 5 full collections in this PR unboxing, and I love every single one of them. I think these acrylics are so stunning. They're really, really pretty. Like, do you see how these are shifting? Like, just look at those colors. They're so pretty to me. I did take a few pictures in the sun just so that you can see a little bit more of like the natural tones, and those pink ones are like really sparkly. You couldn't really see them in like my recording light, but you can like tell like here in this light that they do have a little bit of shimmer to them, so that was definitely fun. And I feel like those acrylics work really cute for like a base, especially if you're gonna add like some bling on top and do like the moon shape free edge nails. I think those are so gorgeous. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these acrylics. Thank you KAIROSE for sending these over to me. I really enjoyed them. If you guys do want to check these out, I do have a discount code which will be on the screen. Is KEY, and it'll save you some money off your purchase. The link is also down below for you guys to go to. Yeah, let me know which one is your favorite collection, or let me know which color or glitter you like the best. Let me know what you thought about today's video, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.